Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Enduro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. First we need to open the menu, and to do it simply press and hold the up/menu button. Once you open the menu, use the down button to scroll down and select the option called clocks. Then press the start/stop to enter, and here we have the first option called alarms. Select it and press the start/stop. And here, if you don't have any alarm clocks yet, you can select the add alarm button, press the start/stop, and right here we can set the hour on which the alarm should go off, and we can use the up and down buttons or the touch screen to set the hour. Then press the start/stop to go to minutes, set the minutes, then press the start/stop, set PM or AM, and then press the start/stop to jump to confirm button, and then press again start/stop to confirm. And here we have our alarm. Now we can also customize a couple of things. So we can scroll down by pressing the down button or by using the touch screen. And here we can edit the alarm. We can change the status from on to off. We can basically turn off or turn on the alarm. We can change the time. We can select the repeat option, and here we can select on which days the alarm should repeat or go off. If you select this option, press the start/stop. You can basically select off, which only if this option is selected, the alarm will go only once, go off once. If you select daily, it's gonna go off every day. If you select weekdays, it's gonna work on weekdays. If you select weekends, it's gonna work on weekends, of course. And if you select custom, you can select specific days. So you can press start/stop, and here we can select specific days for it to go off. For example, like this. And then once you're done, you can press the back button. And now we have custom, and it's gonna work on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Sundays, and Saturdays. Okay, below the repeat we have the sound and vibe, and here we can select if it should vibrate or give the sound and vibrate. You have two options. No, you have three options. Only sound, vibration, only vibration, and both. Select the one you like. Next we have backlight. Here you can select if it should turn on the backlight or not. And then we have label, and we can assign the label for it. Basically something like wake up, workout. We have pre-existing labels, and we can select one of this. And then press the start/stop to confirm. And once you're done, you can select done and press the start/stop. And here we have our alarm. We can turn it on and off by selecting it and pressing the start/stop. We can edit it, I believe, by scrolling down, selecting the edit, select the alarm you want to edit, and this will open this menu again, and you can edit the alarm. You can also remove it when you edit it. You can select delete and press the start/stop to remove it. And you can also add more alarms if you want. You can have more than one, basically, like this. Okay, and that's how you set up the alarm clock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.